everyone, I'm Phillip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba Combo 10 Max. So first we'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box, then we'll watch it go clean some floors. So this was everything that came in the box for the Roomba Combo 10 Max. We've got the Roomba itself that's sitting on the AutoWash dock to go along with one power cord, one extra microfiber mopping pad, one extra dirt disposal bag, one extra edge sweeping brush, one extra high efficiency filter, and a quick start guide that's both going to help you register and set up your robot. So this robot's highly intelligent but even easier to use. It's smart enough to know when to increase the suction power automatically, so think of your carpeted areas. As it approaches excess dirt and debris, it'll focus clean where needed the most before moving off to another. Say you have carpet and hard floors in your home and you want to vacuum and mop, it'll raise and lower the mopping pad to avoid wetting your carpets. Plus you have an option to add additional scrubbing when and where needed the most, so think kitchen and the bathroom. And I can't forget to tell you that it'll still avoid everyday objects on the ground like cables, socks, shoes, pet toys, pet bowls, and even pet waste. And yes, we continue to back it up with our official poop promise. So the Roomba Combo 10 Max is going to produce some sparkling clean floors. But I've been waiting all video long and I can't take it any longer. I've got to introduce you to the AutoWash dock, as this thing is awesome. It's going to continue to automatically empty the dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during its cleaning missions into an enclosed disposable bag that's up top here. And yes, this can still hold up to 60 days. This is a clean solution tank that's compatible with multiple different types of cleaning solution, and this is going to be used to both replenish the liquids on the Roomba itself and be used to clean the mopping pad and the dock. And this container right here is where all the dirty water after cleaning the dock and the mopping pad goes. That was a lot of information we just covered, so before we get out of here, let's recap quickly. The Roomba Combo 10 Max knows when to step on the gas a little and increase suction power, like on carpeted areas. It's smart enough to know when to raise and lower its mopping pad to avoid wetting your carpets, plus avoid objects on the ground like cords and even pet waste. And comes with a dock that not only looks great, but will literally take care of emptying the debris, refill liquids, and both wash and dry the mopping pad. Alright, that does it on this video for the Roomba Combo 10 Max. Go ahead and add one to your cart today so you can focus on literally anything else other than worrying about cleaning your floors. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.